Hi guys, update sa ako ang garden guys. Oh, nalapod ko harvest nun. Tapos tanawa, dagko kayo ang atsal. Tapos ang akong sibuyas tanawa, oh, murag 1 week pa lang yata ni o wala pa 1 week. Tagas na, kanilang biya niya akong gitanom mo kani kana. Kato lang siya okay, pagtanom na ko nga ni kataas. Gipuok dinhi sa slag, so siya ang naulahi. So ayan, pwede na ko nakutloon para matubo og daghan. Daghan pa ko kauno dito. Oh. Kana siya nahapla na wala na ako gibalik kay mga bali. Ang uban nga sayang pero sige lang. At least kaning dagko. Wala na nga kuan. Okay pa sila. Wala na nga matay. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Kagmatoy kayo. Wala, bisag ito pang magbuka. Magsigig. Magsigig yung pang limpyo. Bisag limpyo pa. Nabulak na. Gamay niya lang yung sila gulang. Bakit na niya matigot?
So easy with no cord.
Yeah, it's so easy. Who are you talking to? Oh my God, kapag man. Uy, nahapay akong bulak sa hangin. Ang akong dahlias, oh, pretty, nakaayo ilang mga dahon. O daghang bulak kaming. Kani na sama siya na laos. I think na murag na over kuan bukbo. Nagpapo ba ning kuan man siya naglilis og pang balay. You're so handsome, baby. You look so guapo. You do the stripes? You know how to do the stripes?
Yeah, be careful of the cord. Oh, sorry, there isn't a cord.
Say it again.
Hold on.
Wow, stripes. Oh my God, katugnaw.
Yeah, be careful of the cord. Oh, sorry, there isn't a cord.
That's cordless, my love. Mugiro kay kinamang gui uban diha nga nagpalit og with cord. Oh! Why so guapo? You didn't change your clothes.
What now? Here.
Careful. Careful with my flower.
I'm always careful with your flower.
That's my girl. Oh, not watching what I'm doing. That's my girl. Hard working. Don't look at the brand of mower because we're not getting paid for advertisement. So just ignore the brand of the mower until they want to pay us. Look at that. She looks like a professional. She looks like she knows what she's doing. Oh, that's it. 4 stripes in. She's definitely the most beautiful grass cutter I've ever seen. That's Melanie, that, not the mower. I mean, the mower's nice, but yeah. That's it, she's doing a good job.
Christmas na. Ala, tama, Christmas naman din, no? Kay September naman din sa Lunes. Dugo na ka ay Christmas decor din. Nag-display na sila. My goodness. Ala! May excited na ko mang decorate. Oh my God. No, nice ko. Ay, mahal man. 10 pounds. Ala ka nice sa mga kuangan. 1.59 pound. Wow. Nice oh. Babe oh. 13 pound man oh. Kani oh nice good ni oh. Expensive man babe. No? Naka-box pa ang uban. Wala pa nila natiwas oh. Display. What's that? Santa siya. Wow. Nice oh. Christmas balls. They don't have Christmas tree yet. This one, babe. What is this?
It's a Christmas tree, isn't it? Like
No, it's not. It's a Christmas tree.
These won't have. But these won't have.
Look, careful. No, that's no battery. Snowman. Oh, it's cute. Cute, diba?
What mum's got,
So
isn't it?
early pa daw.
You know what mum's got?
Uy, nice oh. $6.99 only.
I think that's what mum's got.
Mom has that.
Wine holder.
A wine holder. I hold a bottle of wine. Wow. Ginataang munggo for dinner. Yummy. Tamis yang sabaw. With talong and repolyo lang. Gusto na ako dahag sabaw. Di ko ganahag ka ng munggo nga espiso na puro na lang munggo. Di ko ganahan. Mas gusto na ako ang dagdag sabaw. Actually, kulang pa gani ni. Kaya lang puno na. Mga unta, hapit na maluto.
Fastest middle sector. Does that give you more confidence in your car in the race for today?
Well, it's of course nice, but you need to be quickest over the whole lap. So we'll see. I mean, I hope that we can just have a strong race, not look back too much, and just try to look ahead, basically.
Hi, Bernie.
Hello.
You right?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Excellent. Let's talk about Max Verstappen. They've not got the car that they had in the
Noon
last
sa
4
Manila,
years.
tanaw og
What's Max's
F1.
motivation?
Tulog.
Is it about helping the
Baby.
team to get back to where he feels they
Uy,
rightfully belong?
mata
Max
na.
always wants to get the best result he can.
Umanang
Anyway,
F1.
and there he's
Wala
close
na,
enough to
daog
maybe
na
go
si
a bit crazy into turn one.
Verstappen.
Could be fun. He's got his crowd. Why not? He's the
Tulog
one where
si
you're
siya, oh.
contract. That's the perfect situation. He
Kapoy
can see
siguro ni
which
siya
team,
ba?
which car, which engine will be good with the new regulations.
Love you, baby.
He's the driver in the best position on the whole grid.
He's got that luxury.
Lucas Paquetá would even play in this game.
Hoy, Paqueta is your in town na. My goodness. Oh my God.
To double West Ham United's advantage. Lucas Paquetá to maybe put away 3 points here for West Ham. Paquetá!
Yeah!